You dog.
What is that?
Nice. Get in, buddy. Get into your 8.6. Ah. Neen, neen, neen.
We did fold them.
Ah.
Oh, it's very responsive.
Oh, you little ripper, mate. He's a fucking...
Like Luke.
We painted this, or we forgot to paint this.
I'm not even lined up, Jody.
Adrian, some man. Before, after. Hey. It's even
After all
happening here.
that, you put it in the wrong place.
What? The thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
That's sure. That's fucking him all over.
Nah, the shell's fucked.
She's rolled
Twisted.
off.
Looking good in there.
That's nice. Must be the reason why you're king of my castle nut.
Do it the other way.
The other way. Thanks.
For a week. What's that? Paint or
Clean them.
cleaned up?
Little bitty guinea pig.
I'm a guinea pig and anodized radiator.
So fucking nice man, just putting on fresh stuff.
No, the bowls are
Well, yeah.
getting diggied up.
Yeah, they're nice. What is the factory torque?
I'm talking 40 Newton meters.
Newton bootons. Very wanky items on the car.
You guide the left, I guide the right. Very good.
Nice.
It's got to catch it there. Huh?
I love using the silent key, it's just so fucking ridiculous.
Massive. You get to use it now. You dog.
What is that?
Just living the dream, boy. You're just getting way too much attention. Right, take two.
We're going now.
Here we go. Yeah. Good lad.
Canada, he's not sure.
Yeah, I was in Canada. I didn't think I would have ever been lifting the axle into this car.
Yeah, well, now you're just been roped in. You came down for a look and you're fucking stuck.
Top ones, I think, this way.
Right. Okay, well this one has to go down. Okay, now she's perfect there.
Baxel.
Baxo. Yeah! Yeah!
Door. You always go middle.
Okay, and then we can adjust from there, like.
Where's the Malay?
Malay, here you go.
Michael Malay.
Malay it up. My lady.
Oh, wait now.
What?
The other way around?
Yeah, it's probably better the other way on these. More serviceable to get it
Yes.
out this way. Did none of us bring the other bolt over? Did you lube it and then leave it?
Yeah. 100%.
Malik.
Thank you.
Now, is there sleeves on these bottom of these things? I read it there.
Right.
Ooh, copper it.
Copper it.
Quick, one on here, quickly.
Quickly. That angle is so. Go for it.
Synchronization here now.
But that shock's okay, isn't
Oh,
it?
you're going too fast, slow down.
Calm your tits there now. Calm your
There's no
tits.
wave with the car, so it's really slow to get out of it.
If it wasn't for. Ooh. See me, I wouldn't have done it.
Nice.
Just when we thought it was going too easy.
Stop. Yeah.
Yes.
I know it's a waste, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a real shame. Where's room when you set everything on fire? Rear. Ooh, yeah.
Jimmy! Jesus, who mashed it.
Square. Wonder if it'll fit. Will it fit?
Is it a washer anymore?
What is it anymore? Ah, it's so close. It's terrible. It's so scabby. Like.
With that background music.
There we go now. We're in the movie. It's like Fast and Furious.
We have to wear what? We all
Are
have
you
to.
fucking serious? Look how close it is. Oh shit!
It's a.
Ah, I put it on. Yeah. Ah, that didn't work at all. Yes. The quality of this build is next to none. This is like a fucking turbo intense montage. We're building for race wars. We need it done by tonight. Copyright strike straight away. These are great. This is nice. The absolute silence.
Something's wrong. Bollocks.
That's why I brought the cheap foreign labour. Cheap Polish labour as usual. Hey Adrian, you can come down and watch us build a car. Yeah. Come on down and have a look. Yeah, I'll come down for a look for the crack. I'm at none else here. It's like. Yeah. Yeah, he's fucking spotless, like. And then he's just stuck in. Yeah. Ooh, listen to that sandy crunch. Ooh.
Oh, see if you can snap it.
Go on. We've been going so well. Let's fucking see it, buddy. Nice. Yeah, just a small bit out. Each fucking one is going east and west.
All these things just came in track, I thought.
Yeah, they just like, no, this is how they set it up in Japan.
What nabbies?
What nabby wheel nuts, lad? Got them off Mr. X. He used to kick them around his garden until he realised they were worth money. Yeah. Hell in the UK were super nice. They sent me out a free brake kit and braided fuel lines. So yeah, very exciting.
Check them out, guys.
Check them out, yeah. They're very nice. I've always wanted braided lines. Oh. Hi. Hey. You like 8.6s? No? No, you've no interest. Perfect.
Newton Mooton.
You know how far it's going to go on the suspension?
No, do you? So I bought this on the internet, and it's because I'm running big stupid throttle or trumpets that I had to get a smaller one of these. So what's that thing called, the little yoke with the pin? This yoke. So I didn't know what this was called, but it's called a clevis. Did you know that? I didn't know that. But the standard Toyota clevis doesn't work, small, right? And it's gone now.
It's gone. Doesn't matter.
So we got this Evo one off Rob, and it works. So just little silly pieces of the puzzle. Now we're going to fit the Shiwi to the bulkhead, and that's installed. Someone should do a piss test with it.
Yeah. Do we have to put the fella on the end of him first?
Greasing the joint.
Oh, I'm doing.
You actually don't. Neither do I. I'm doing what I was told I should do.
Dougie said do this.
All the time.
Just peeling back these guys.
You're just peeling back the ears.
Ooh, look how smooth it is. Ooh, it's like,
right.
Ooh.
So there's that one and that
Nothing,
one.
this was fucking mint because it's inside the car.
And it came from a fucking minter from Japan, Joe.
Nice.
Lift. Hey, you're helping.
Fucking chill.
Bucket.
You want these?
Imagine he had a weird skill for just eating bowls or something.
Look, you can anyway.
The stupid lift is in the way.
We have a choice of steering wheels, but we'll have one that we'll do for now.
It's really easy to come on. Oh, it's so far away.
Thanks for that. And he's like,
Turny.
so what I'm doing is, there's only one, is it M8? One M8 nut that has a different tread pitch for the wiper motor. So we have to go through every single M8 nut that we have for the whole
You should make a box now
shell,
that says M8 and then put them all in.
and then try every single one of them just to go, no, that's wrong.
Fire in the fuel tank.
Everyone's favourite.
This is where we explode.
Ruben's not here, so there's no
Yeah.
reason for it to explode.
No, we're alright then. There's no naked flames.
Drop off. You're tall enough to peep through.
Yeah. Thanks again for coming.
You pick up that side, and I'll pick up this side. Maybe we can jack it up a bit with it, but the final liftage might need to be.
Boom. Right in the way, Ralph. Right in the way.
I know this is, but I don't want it. That's it.
Oh no, the cardboard is interfering.
That's a bird's nest we got. Oh, I'm so short. And rust.
Do you need a light or?
Oh, I'm so short.
Yeah.
Just drop that whole
Here,
beast.
let's swap the position
Yeah.
of job. Flip. Take that.
God dang it.
Just get 2 or 3 threads in. Yeah?
Yeah, it's
Magical. Need to fudge this out of the way.
this fucking scutter.
Get the other bulb.
This doesn't need to be here anymore, does it?
It's in his pocket.
It's in my pocket. Ah.
With copper grease on it.
Yeah, man, I've been ready.
In his pocket.
Learning. And this is out of the way. Job Barry.
Oh, there's sand on that.
Oh, it's so gritty.
Yeah.
Oh, the fuel stand is alright.
That's great.
Oh, sorry.
Look how shit the fuel tank looks. Fuel tank's in. It's pretty fucking tight. Jesus Christ. Can I get the camera inside the...
Danger zone.
just catches the camera and it falls on poor Ralph's head.
And then he rubs himself in.
Woohoo! Yeah! You're fucking sniffing that head out. Shite. Yeah! Now it's a car. I need to get my seat time.
Dougie's in the way.
Gotta get as much seat time as possible.
That's the only bride I'll ever want in my life.
Yeah. The horn button. Get it on.
Get it on. It won't work. Get in, buddy. Get into your 86. Ah. Neen, neen, neen.
It's been here since March.
In this shed?
Yeah, I think so. This thing.
It's now December the 1st.
Wow.
Rolling out.
It's in here since March.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah,
It is.
It was meant to be finished for Paddy's Day.
No way.
That is a year ago.
It was March or April, one or the other.
God dang it.
Sure. So interesting year.
Be back at some stage.
Bye. That's what I do with every job.
Hopefully, that's enough there. Hopefully, trainer on the back of the car doesn't.
Yeah. Who left that there?
Oh jeez.
Straight through something automobile.
You can brake on your own probably, can you?
What do you mean?
That much weight.
Lock.
There is roughness there.
We need to get the
God.
speed up for the hill, sure.
Why aren't we locking?
Give it the locks. And the speeds.
And it falls apart.
We did fold them.
Oh, it's very responsive.
Hope no truck comes around the corner.